This is how you scan a QR code on your iPhone. We've got a QR code here. It's on a bag from a local burrito shop. And now we want to open our camera app. Let's swipe down from the top right, tap on camera. And we want to position the camera or the QR code in the camera frame. A little higher so we can get this on video. There we go. Almost, there we go. As the phone scans it, you see brackets appear in the corners around the QR code, and a little yellow link appears. Tap on that link, and it's going to open a website, which should take us to Bar Burrito, which is the burrito shop, and we just scan that QR code. That's how easy it is. There's no extra apps. There's no funny stuff. Just scan the QR code with your camera. There is something you got to pay attention to, though. There are QR code scams. Someone who's not very nice could easily put a sticker of their malicious QR code over top of the true QR code, and then go to a website that looks like Bar Burrito or maybe your bank or something, and it has you input your login details, and then they steal your information or get into your bank account or something like that. So you definitely want to make sure that the QR code is legit. This bag I got from Bar Burrito from the actual store, and then there's no sticker on here, and this website looks legit, but you never know. I just want to make sure you're aware that there are QR code scams, so be careful. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. If you've never done that before, it's something you should be doing on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.